Now we will start to explain the operating steps of ZWSYB-5 oil type AC Hipot tester. First of all, we need to explain the wiring operation. Let's look at the control box part first. The black wire is the ground wire. This wire is connected from the ground terminal of the Hipot transformer, and the wire from the control box is connected to the ground. At the same time, we see the voltage divider part. The ground wire of the voltage divider leads to the ground terminal of the Hipot transformer, and then the ground terminal of the transformer is connected to the ground terminal of the control box. The ground wires of the control box, transformer, and the device under test are all connected together. This orange cylinder is a voltage divider and is used to simulate the device under test. Its input comes from the high voltage output at the top of the Hipot transformer. The whole thing constitutes a Hipot test. The two red wires are the output wires of the control box. These two wires are connected to the input end of the transformer. Just connect the two wires separately. The two yellow wires are the meter wire and the high voltage tail terminal. It should be noted that the high voltage tail must be connected to the high voltage tail terminal of the transformer. This is the output line of the voltage divider, which is used to record the voltage value of the test. We now see the wiring on the Hipot transformer. The two red wires go to the input of the transformer coming from the control box. Two yellow wires are connected to the meter end of the transformer. Operators should note that the yellow wires cannot be connected arbitrarily. The yellow wire on the left should be connected to the high voltage pressure tail of the control box. The corresponding connection is the high voltage tail of the transformer. We have marked it here to prevent operators from making mistakes. The black wire is the ground wire and goes from the transformer to the ground terminal on the control box. Now we have completed the wiring operation of the control box and transformer. Each wire is connected from the control box to the transformer in turn. Especially pay attention to the high voltage tail. Make sure the ground wire is connected properly. When we have completed the wiring work, we can start the test. Now we start the AC high voltage test. First, the operator needs to close the air switch. At this time, the power green light is on. The power light will only light up when the boost knob is at 0 position. If the boost knob is not at 0 position, the device will not be powered on. Now we press start, the work light will light up, and we can turn the knob to increase the voltage. The operator slowly rotates the knob, and the device will gradually increase the voltage output. The operator needs to pay attention to the pointer value of the high voltage voltmeter. The meter on the left is an external voltmeter of the voltage divider, which is used to show the stability and accuracy of the output voltage of this device. We can see that the values of the digital voltmeter and the pointer meter are consistent. Now that we have raised the voltage to 100 kV, we need to press the timing switch immediately. The device will start timing, and we can see that the voltage recorder of the voltage divider shows a stable voltage of 100 kV, and the pointer on the control box is also stable at 100 kV. Which means that our voltage boost operation is correct. The voltage divider is a device we use to demonstrate the product under test. This device is not provided to customers. If customers need a voltage divider to monitor the stability of the voltage output during the test, customers need to order the voltage divider separately. This device can stably output 100 kV voltage for more than 60 seconds. The operator can change the time of each timing at the time relay. Two ammeters can display the value of leakage current. When the set time is reached, the alarm light of the device will light up. At the same time, a beeping sound will be emitted. The operator needs to reduce the voltage value slowly. Do not reduce the voltage quickly. Click the timer switch again, click stop, and then disconnect the air switch. The test is over.